Hey, it's been a long ass time since I've done one of these, and I thought, you know what, maybe it's time to do it and kind of check in with everybody and see how people are doing. We had a great time at Imaging USA in Nashville and with Zeno, the lab that I'm going to be using moving forward. And that was so much fun. It's just kind of been a whirlwind last several weeks. Ended up back in LA to work on a house out there, and now I am sitting at the house in Costa Rica. You probably hear it's raining. It's actually coming down. It's been raining on and off all day, but it's so beautiful here. I forgot how beautiful it is here. I know I met a lot of you guys were at Imaging, and I met a lot of you and several of you, and so I want to say hi again formally. I know I didn't probably have a lot of time to talk to a lot of people as much as I would have liked to, but man, the presentations were great, and I really enjoyed presenting there. I kind of forgot how much I enjoy public speaking, and that was so much fun for me. And I hope that the information that I shared was well put together, well delivered, and that people were able to get some really useful knowledge and things that they were able to immediately implement into their own businesses upon returning home. It was a lot of work went into that, especially considering I had such a short time to put it all together. And now we're getting ready for WPPI, which is coming up in Las Vegas in March, the beginning of March. I think it's the 5th through the 9th, somewhere in there. Yeah, that's what's going on. I hope folks are doing well in this new year, and you guys have some good plans and some good movement moving forward. And I'm thinking about just a thought right now, but I love it down here in Costa Rica. It's amazing. It's beautiful here. And I'm thinking about putting together a shootout here, maybe a workshop, kind of like a mastermind course where we talk about business and we actually shoot and implement all kinds of things to help grow your business and things that you can take back home with you to your business and implement and start generating more revenues. I mean, the goal this year is basically to take everyone in this group who isn't already doing it into the levels of making 7 figures or 6 figures for this year. And that's kind of the goal that I think that I want to do with the group, is to create that where we can help each other and help you guys get to 6 figures. And if you're already at 6 figures, let's keep ramping that up. Let's keep adding another 6, another 6, another 6 till you hit 7. I think that would be absolutely amazing. We need more of us to become millionaires so that we can take really cool trips and do really cool things. So we really kind of need to work on that. And I think that if, if Casey watches this, I think that everybody will agree that that's probably the goal and the mission that we should be looking for and looking to do, is to at the very least make 6 figures. And guys, like I said during my presentation, one of my presentations at Imaging, it's not that hard to do. It's something that is quite simple to do, actually. You can make 6 figures a year with just 1 shoot a week. And 1 shoot a week is a lot less pressure than trying to get 20 shoots a month to try to make 6 figures. So we want to talk about things like that and how that'll be. But if there's questions that you guys have, it would be very helpful for me to, I can't speak tonight. It would be very helpful for me to know what your questions are. What are your pain points in your business? What kind of things can I do, or what things may I be able to shed light on, or one of the other administrators in the group be able to shed light on that could help you grow your businesses to where you want them, scale them. Look, I got into business because I'm lazy and I don't respond well to authority, and I don't really want to work for someone else, right? But I also got into business so that I can come to places like Costa Rica when I want to and hang out and not work all the time. And that's part of the thing that I think so many people have to understand, is that we're in business to make enough money that we don't have to be working all the time. Many of you guys, or many people, have families and friends you want to spend time with. So you can't do that if you're always working. Plus, always working, oh my goodness, I don't know what's going on. But always working will cause you to burn out very quickly. And burnout's no fun. And then you stop enjoying what you're doing, and then the business falls apart. Now you're depressed. And now it's just crazy cycle after cycle after cycle of just negativity. So, yeah. So I think that's what we're going to do. I think that this year we are going to start working on putting programs together to help everybody in this group make six figures, and at the very least, get you real close to six figures without having to do so much more work. Okay? And a lot of my business workshops have been basically, the premise of them is make more money, do less work. So that's what I want to bring to the group and start there. So let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you think that's a great idea. If you guys want to make six figures, or whether if you're making 100,000, do you want to make 2, 3, 4, 500,000? And let's figure out how we can help you make that happen. But anyway, I'm going to sign off. It's 9 o'clock here, and we got an early morning horseback riding around the volcano. So I'm going to get in there, get showered, and hit the bed for the night and just kind of chill. There's no TV here, by the way, at this house. So it's either read, work on the computer, or go to sleep. So I did working on the computer. We did an amazing shoot. And so now it's just like, okay, time to shut it down and go sleep. But let me show you kind of just this little area here where I'm at. And yeah, this is the patio. Whoops. Sorry. Yeah, this is the downstairs patio. Have breakfast there every morning. There's the upstairs as well. We don't really spend a lot of time up there. Kitchen. So maybe I'll jump on live in the morning and show off more of the house so that you guys can see. But yeah, I'm really thinking about the possibilities of creating a workshop. I haven't done a destination workshop in a long time. I love doing them, and so I think it's time to start doing them again. But yeah, so we were shooting right back there. I'll be posting some of the pictures. I just worked on a couple of them right now. So I'll post a couple of them before I go to bed tonight so you guys can see, and you guys can tear them apart and critique them and all that. But anyway, guys, thank you so much for being here. Thank you to those of you who I met at Imaging. Thank you very much. And I look forward to meeting so many more of you in the coming months, hopefully at WPPI, as well as at our workshops. Oh, another thing too, by way of announcement, apparently I'm going to be doing some programs for Photo Whoa. So I was asked, they reached out and asked me if I would craft some programs to help photographers on that platform as well. So I'm going to do that. I just have to figure out exactly what I'm going to do and how I'm going to do it to make it worthwhile for everybody to want to check them out. So, but anyway, you guys will get all the information here first. Good night. Oops, because I'm an idiot. Don't know how to use my thing.